Today, we are going to unbox and take a look at the OCASE for iPhone 16 Pro, detachable wallet case with card holder. We are fans of this case, as we purchased the same brand for the previous iPhone 15 Pro, and it worked really well. The main thing we were wondering was how it would work with the new camera control button on the iPhone 16 Pro, since the new button is a solid-state haptic button that allows for multiple functions including long presses and swipes. The case is enclosed in a plastic container. Removing the clear cover and protective paper reveals the wallet case. As you can see, the left side of the case has pockets where you can keep credit cards, a driver's license, and some cash. There is also a wrist strap you can attach to the case. The right side has the protective case for the phone, and it magnetically fastens to the wallet portion, effectively making this a hybrid case where you can quickly detach the phone to give to someone to take pictures. And as you can see, there is a special cutout in this case to allow you to use the haptic camera control button, which was introduced with the new iPhone 16 Pro. That is pretty much the unboxing and the case itself. Also included are a few cards from the company, including one that tells you about the 60-day money-back guarantee and lifetime warranty. And another thanking you for the purchase, with cleaning instructions. Now let's put the iPhone 16 Pro into the case and see how it works with the new camera control button. As you saw, the case just has an open slot, where you can put your finger and still touch the haptic camera button. Putting the phone in the case, you can see how it all lines up. The recessed opening takes a little getting used to, since you have to push a little harder to get your finger down to the control. But once you get used to the pressure that is needed, you can see that the case allows you to have full control over the new button, including the ability to slide back and forth to adjust settings. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.